Hello, teacher. My name is Carolina Gomez. Phonetic pronunciation. The old woman in the wine jar fable. An old woman found an empty jar which had lately been full of fine old wine and which still retained the fragrant smell of its former contents. She greedily placed it several times to her nose, and drawing it backwards and forwards, said, "Oh, most delicious! How nice must the wine itself have been when it leaves behind in the very vessel which contained in so rich a perfume." Thank you, teacher.